Hello, and welcome to another Adverity Platform guide. In this video, we're going to go through how data mapping works within Adverity, as well as how to use the data dictionary. But first, what is data mapping, and how does it help you with your data? Data from different data sources follows different naming and formatting rules. For example, data related to total cost might be named cost in one data source and spend in another. This makes it difficult to compare the same data from different sources. When you apply data mapping to your data, you map the source fields collected from your data source to the target fields within Adverity. This means that you can map both the cost field from one data source and the spend field from another to a costs target field. And this means you can easily combine and compare the data from both data sources. For more information, check out our video on what is data mapping and why it's important. In Adverity, data mapping is defined at the data stream level. In the Platform navigation menu, go to the Data Streams page and then click the data stream you want to map. In this example, we're going to look at a Google Ads data stream. In the top navigation panel, click the Data Mapping tab. On the left of the data mapping table is the Source Field column. This shows the source fields you have collected from your data source. On the right of the data mapping table, you can see the Target Field column. These show the target fields in Adverity that your source field will be mapped to. In this example, we can see that the campaign field in Google Ads is mapped to campaign_name in Adverity. As you can see, Adverity automatically maps target fields when a suitable match is detected. If any source fields have not been automatically mapped, you can assign a target field to them manually. In this example, we can see that the campaign ID source field has not yet been mapped. So let's assign a target field by searching for and selecting the appropriate field. When your field has been successfully mapped, you'll see a notification at the bottom of the page. Adverity provides default target fields for frequently collected data, such as dates and costs. You can find a full list of these in the Data Dictionary page. More on that in the next section of this video. However, you can also add your own custom target fields. Just type in the name of the target field that you want to create, click Create New, and follow the instructions to create a new target field. While you map your source fields to target fields of your choice, all the changes are saved automatically. Now let's take a look at the Data Dictionary. After you have set up data mapping for a data stream, all the target fields you mapped will appear in the Data Dictionary. The Data Dictionary provides a single integrated view of all your map dimensions, metrics, and calculated metrics. It contains all the target fields in all the data streams and workspaces in your organization, as well as important information about the target fields, such as their data type, where they are used, and a description of the target field. These target fields can be used by all users in all workspaces in your organization, and this means you can maintain consistency across all of your data. In the Data Dictionary, you can quickly see how many and which data streams use a specific target field. You can also filter by metrics or dimensions, or filter by target fields that are used or not used by any of your organization's data streams, and sort the target fields by whether they are default target fields or created by a user. If we take a look at the costs target field, for example, we can see the different data sources and data streams that are using this target field, and see what the source field is in each case. This is especially useful when it comes to identifying inconsistencies in your target fields. If we take a look at clicks, for instance, we can see that we have two target fields for the same metric. In this case, we can also see that one has been created by a user. Since we want to make sure that all of our click data from all of our data streams is consistently aligned within the same target field, we can fix this by changing the data mapping. Simply click on the Data Streams link in the Used By column and click on the data stream that needs to be changed. Then, navigate to that data stream's data mapping and update it with the correct target field. If we return now to the Data Dictionary, we can see that this has been updated and both our data streams are now using the correct target field. One last tip, you can also add new custom target fields directly in the Data Dictionary. This is especially useful if your organization has a lot of custom target fields and you need to make sure they are consistently used. Just add all your custom fields directly in the Data Dictionary and these will automatically be available to all users. And there you go. That's how you set up your data mapping and use the Data Dictionary within Adverity. For more information on how to use a data dictionary or data mapping, be sure to check out our Adverity documentation.